On an average, it takes someone up to 5 months to find a job in the US. Recently, I had a call with a staffing agency owner which shed light on this pain point. He was looking for an automation that could scrape job portals in real time so that whenever a job is posted, suitable candidates from his talent pool are automatically matched with a personalized cover letter for applying. The pain is the same for individual candidates as well who are looking for a job. It is indeed a time-consuming process to go through thousands of job posts online and then personalization for outreach, of course. But let me ease that up for you. I have built an automation that can make your life a lot more simpler. It lists all the job posts on LinkedIn based on your search criteria, goes through them one by one, and evaluates the job description with your personal profile to find the suitability score, and finally writes you a personalized outreach message for making the application. So welcome to the 19th automation of our 100 automation series at Rohini AI, where we build custom AI solutions for businesses. More about me and what we do at the end of this video. So let me show you how all this works with a live demo.
So this is the wonderful automation I'm talking about. There are a total of 9 modules, and let me walk you through each one of them before running a live demo. So the very first module is setting up some variables which we will be needing to run the further sequence. I am using these 3 for now. They are the job type, the role that I am looking for, and the location ID. Don't worry about the location ID. It's just something that uniquely differentiates a location, because there could be multiple places with the same name. And of course we are using LinkedIn. So we make an API call to this rapid API where it is getting the list of job listings from LinkedIn for this particular job role. So this is my array request, and we can further refine it to add title IDs or maybe on-site or remote requirements, industries, job types, or anything that your particular use case might be having. But right now I'm just taking up all the jobs for this role in this location. The results are then iterated one by one using the third module to get more details about each job listing with the fourth module, where I'm just putting up the job URL to get the job done. What are the details that I am fetching and storing? Let me show you what we have in this first Google Sheet. It is the company name, location, company's LinkedIn URL, the hiring team information if it is available, because most of the time it is not included in the job listing. So yeah, then we have the job title, job URL, the job type, whether it's full-time, part-time, remote is over here, but maybe it's freelancing or contract. Those kind of information will be stored here. And finally, we have the job description. Let's come back to the automation. When we have all the job listings, now what we really want to do is compare each job listing from the list of candidate pools that we have. But for this demo, I'm just using one candidate for example. So I'm using another set multiple variables module where I'm putting the candidate name and the skill set list. Same sequence can be used for a personal use case as well. When it is for a recruiting agency, this will be replaced with fetching the list of candidates from your candidate pool. Now what we really want to do is evaluate each candidate, or maybe just this candidate for this example, with the job descriptions that we fetched. We are using another OpenAI module over here where I am instructing it to really basically go over the details, and I'm using the GPT-4o mini model over here, but you can select any model of your choice. So what I'm doing over here is I'm asking it to act as a hiring manager and providing it with a job description. Here it is for this job role, and the skill sets of the candidate, which is again supplied here. And the task for this module is to really evaluate the candidature and give us a probability score out of 10, because we don't want to really outreach to the job listings where a candidate is not really fitting well. How is it filtered? Over here, I'm just taking up the output of this module and comparing it with a numerical value of greater than 6. So anything above 6 will be considered. Now in this second last module, I'm using another OpenAI call to take up the job description, the skill sets of my candidate, and write me a personalized outreach message. In production, this outreach message could be used to email the hiring manager, or we can set up more modules to gather the email ID for the job listing. But over here I'm just storing all the details in a Google Sheet because it's a demo, of course. What am I storing now? I'm storing the candidate name, the company page, candidate probability score, and the personalized message. So let me run this automation real quick. So as you can see, the first one was not continued because of the probability score maybe. Let's see how many results do we have in the first run. So we have got 25 job listings. Cool. And then we might be having some data in the Google Sheet as well. So yeah, here it is. And then let's come back to the automation. Oh, the first personalized message is ready. And let's go to the sheet to again see what is the, yeah, this is the personalized message. So let's go back to the automation and we can see that 10 entries are there in the Google Sheet, now 11, and only 2 personalized message in the second Google Sheet. So it really saves up your time, right?
How was it? I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal, a developer who runs an AI automation agency. I have built over 15 plus full stack web development projects and 10 plus Flutter application projects where I was doing my computer science. And then, after working as an IT consultant at United Nations, I did my masters in bridging the gap between IT and businesses from WU Vienna. And now I run an AI automation agency where we build done for you AI solutions that are tailored to your business operations. If you have got a business use case, we can discuss it over a discovery call. The link is on the website as well as in the description below. You can also connect with me over my LinkedIn where I post AI insights on a daily basis. See you on the other side.